Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa blogs. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a winter shawl or a scarf. So sit back and relax and watch this video from the beginning until the end so that you will learn how to create your own scarf or winter cap. So this is now my finished product, so let's start from the beginning. So all you need is a crochet needle, the big one, number 8 or number 9. Then you need 2 rolls of yarn. So let's start from the beginning, so please take a look here. So this is the step 1. You have to hold your yarn and do it this way. Just follow what I am doing. Okay, we're going to start first the basic crochet. Just make first a chain. So if how long is your scarf, so you have to make a chain. For example, you need 3 yards or 3 yards of scarf. That is enough to roll into your neck. So you make first a chain which is 3 yards or 3 or 2 yards. Okay, just do it slowly and carefully. Just loosen your thread so that it is easy for you to insert the crochet needle. So let's proceed. So now we have already done this chain, so I will show you how to connect to the other line. Okay, so this is the end. So you have to start to make 2 chain first, then connect to the chain, insert it and pull this thread and insert into the first loops, and second 2 loops, and again insert in the 2 loops, so the roll is 1 2 2. So first you have to insert the loops. The loops means the circle, so you have to insert in the first loops, connect it to the first loops. Okay, and then put in the second loops, and in the third line you have to insert again in the 2 loops. Loops means that the circle. So do it again, same procedure. Just insert the needle and pull this thread in with, and pull again, put it in the first loops. Just loosen the thread, just hold it so that your chain will not be moving, it will be stabilized. And again pull this thread and insert into the third loop. So just continue the process until you finish this these steps until the end. Okay, so when you reach to the end, you have to start again and connect from one another until you finish with how many lines you are going to have this width. For example, you need 10 lines, so you have to continue making the crochet. This is just a very simple way. This is just the basic crochet. This is a simple stroke only. Okay, so try to learn the basic steps on how to crochet so that you will learn how to create different projects. So now this is our scarf. I have already done how many lines, so I'm going to show you how to finish this one so that we will see the final result. Okay, so just simply follow the procedure. Pull it and put it in the first loops, and again in the second loops, and again in the second loops. The rule is insert it in one, then two loops. Again, the third line is two loops. Loops means that is the circle where you are going to pass through your crochet needle. Okay, so if you want to learn to create different projects about crochet making, just check out my playlist, how to crochet winter cap, how to crochet winter scarf. So just check out my playlist. Okay, so now we are almost finished now. So this is the end of this scarf. So we have to close it to this one. So when you are already at the end, so just simply make a crochet in the other side of the scarf, the end, yung dulo niya. So just simply lock it by a simple crochet stroke, and then you have to lock it and cut it. So that's it. So when you are looking, it is like difficult to do it, but when you learn already, this is just a very easy. It is just a basic crochet. Wala siyang mga design dyan. Simple lang to na stroke, pabalik-balik. So this is just a repeated stroke. So just learn first the basic crochet rule so that you can do it by yourself. So the good thing, if you know how to crochet, you can be fashionable. You can crochet different colors that will match to your outfit. So, and it is as money saving because you will do it by yourself, and it is more cheaper when you create your own, and you can do any design if you want. So now our bonnet now, or our scarf is ready now. So we will just tighten at the end of this crochet so that it will be a long lasting, and it is for sure it is a stabilized bottom line or the end of this yarn, para hindi siya matanggal pag siguraduhin na ilak natin yan. So ito na yung ating finished product. Tingnan nyo. So ang length nito is 3 meters or 3 yards, approximately 3 yards. So this is now our finished shawl or finished product. So let's try on it. So I hope you like this tutorial.